Sometimes it's not us, but our loved ones who are suffering or have been diagnosed with an illness or long-term condition, and we are not always sure what action to take or what advice to give to help them. The Health Help Now app and website were developed alongside medical professionals to help aid all those who want to learn more about medical conditions that they themselves or family and friends may be suffering from.
There are lots of national services which will be accessible on the app, but there are lots of services which are very bespoke to Harrow, and we've included those services as well.
The Services section gives the user a fully comprehensive list of local services close to your location. These include your closest emergency department, walk-in centres, local pharmacies and GPs. It also lists local dentists, opticians and a whole host of other available services in your location.
We hope that we'll be able to give people enough waiting time information. So if you were really unwell, it would tell you, what the waiting times would be in a walk-in centre, the urgent care centre, which are all alternatives to A&E, but it'll also tell you what the waiting time is. I could go and see if I went to the walk-in centre, I might have an hour wait. If I went to the UCC, I might have a 2-hour wait. And if I went to A&E, I'd have a 4-hour wait. And then I would be able to decide whether do I need to go to any of the three or can I just walk 5 minutes to my pharmacist.
Another great thing about this app is it talks about dental problems. I'm a local GP and I work in a health centre which also doubles up as a walk-in centre. And what I often find is that people come in with toothache or dental problems, and they often come in because they just don't know where to go when their dentist is closed. It will give you information on how to get in contact with an emergency dentist. Like we'd have, an emergency doctor at a walk-in centre, there are services like this for dentists. It will give them information on how to get access to that. Another feature that this app covers is eye symptoms. And often people are not quite sure what to do when they've got a problem with their eye. It can be very simple, so it can be a little bit of, discharge, it can be something more serious. For example, you lose vision in one eye. And what the app does, it will direct you to the right place. And there is an A&E specifically for eyes. The app will give you information on where it is. There is a map section, so if somebody was driving you, it will give you directions how to get there.
The Health Help Now app was developed to help people know what their options are.
So it just helps people to have that local information in a timely way so that they can make a choice about where they need to present.
So whatever the time, wherever you are, find the right treatment for you. Visit the website harrow.healthhelpnow.nhs.uk or download the app from the iOS or Android app stores.